Hello and welcome to day 44 of the Anytime series. Today we're going to cover something very interesting and very powerful. Chat with Google Sheets. So when you have a lot of data in your Google Sheets and you want to understand something, how do you do that? Let's use AI to analyze your data and give you results exactly the way you want. So let's get started. Because we want to chat, let's use the chat trigger. Of course, we can do this with the Telegram or even WhatsApp. Now the next node is going to be AI agent. And this will be connected to chat trigger node. We have to add system message here. And that is going to be this one, which is Google Sheets Ask Data. You are Ask Data. Answer questions using Google Sheets only via the tool below. Be precise and conservative. There is only one dataset. Do not ask what dataset it is. Okay, very simple prompt. And we have to connect the chat model. And let's use Gemini. 2.5 Flash is good enough. Let's use simple memory and context 520, whatever you want, you could use that. Tools is going to be Sheets, and the document is going to be sales data. So we've got the sales details of one of the tools. Okay, again dummy data in which we have date, region, city, subscription and amount. Sheet is going to be the only sheet, PM sales October. It should have been September. Anyways, okay. So we can ask anything and it is supposed to answer us accurately. Let's see if it does that. So let's see if this agent is working, and for that I'm going to go over here and see what are the plans available. So subscriptions you can see is Enterprise, Pro and Team. So if I go here, add a filter, you can see we have 3. So how many plans are fillable? There are 3 plans available. The plans available are Enterprise, Pro and Team. How much does that cost? Enterprise plan costs 100, the Pro plan costs 25 and the Team plan costs 40. Let's see. So Enterprise is 100, Pro is 25 and the Team is 40. Let me refresh. Burst from unpin and send. India, Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, UK, London, Birmingham, Manchester, USA, Chicago, New York, San Francisco, Australia, Sydney, Brisbane and Melbourne, Germany, Berlin, Hamburg and Munich. Let's see. Yes, Pune, London, Chicago, Sydney, Berlin, Bangalore, Brisbane, Sydney. And that looks to be right. And that's how you can build Chat with Sheets, where you just connect it to some AI model and connect your sheet, some memory, simple memory of course, and you keep asking the questions that you want to understand from your sheets. As simple as it can get. If you found this video helpful, please share it with business owners, freelancers, students, or anyone who deals with Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.